là phối pi veng ăn bol hoi lẹ riêng với cái phối pi tìm nó lên phối pi veng cái nào thế phải thế lên sao mà bắt tên tôi to hồi gì vậy ngon first là đi nam first là đi hỏi về hỏi ta căn nằm ta chứ hỏi ta ball vô phải chơi vào luôn về hồi đi vàng họ hỏi tiền tao về tôi nè thì hỏi thấy máu ta nằm trái đi hỏi thì đãนั่นน่ะเวทดิวจ้องยูทูบมาห้องดีตาจูงาปัดโบ Boy H Channel บอลหอยโบหอยเทเบมอเฮอันนั้นหอยอยู่เบVIPอยู่เบsemangat yang mungkin deh, tu deh. Kimi mam ko ma to se ajoting la player hum de him alangin bol kum thei kadal kum thei him. Thank you so much to our VIPs and dignitaries for gracing these functions and beautifying the 17 Motbung tournament, for your humble and for your tireless support in beautifying this beautiful football tournament here in LS Playground. Sanjoy, assistant referee, Consola, and we have another assistant referee, gentleman Jonathan. Fourth referee will be Henry. Goal line we have from Gurman and Nundohar. These 5 gentlemen from FIFA Motbung will be conducting this final match here in a couple of minutes from now. Let's football. Goalkeeper wearing jersey number 22. Paugoho, he will be defender. Jersey number 29, Lu Sangin, defender jersey number 12, Lin Minhao, defender jersey number 6, Satan, defender jersey number 17, Lin Gokang, midfield jersey number 15. 15, 17 Motbung Veng Tournament Football Championship match here in Motbung Playground in a couple of seconds from now. All the preparation for the kick-off is perfect, ready, and now hopefully in a moment the center referee and his assisting team will combination and a sportsmanship spirit will decide the final whistle and the championship of 17th edition. Good luck to both teams. Dunia hi pen tichana pen ding khopi le bazai ket ding zeriko iho chimpa ajo Motbung le to iho chimu la khopot alam thai lam diu akichom inspection of the central referee. Let's enjoy the gentlemen, and this is the kick off. Now will be into the control, good side back pass, and the play starts steady and calm. And this is a lovely crossing from the defender. He's trying to find the left winger. Lovely clearance from jersey number 17. This is a fine header from khopi. Now khopi, Mr. Domin Thang, who is a veteran player. He started playing Veng tournament in 2009, which is almost 20 years now. Now this is lovely attack, but unfortunately goalkeeper stepped up for khopi. No harm done, and a beautiful good clearance from the goalkeeper of khopi. And now we have khopi, jersey number 23, and this is jersey number 7, the midfielder. Jersey number 9 chasing from Veng, lovely touch and good control. Deflected, the fine first intro in favor of Motbung Veng. This is jersey number 12 for Veng, preparing for the throw. He finds Mr. Ling Gotang, fine back pass and lovely crossing. Fine crossing, but unfortunately landed in no man's land. It will be an intro in favor of khopi. Nom ten kichemun kang ten. Game team combination same moving lang. Nung team na ita tunay hipua boli pe diwi. Akenga bol pe zo si mantay kilo. Hua bol pe kangaitan. Ken na to ay kakamakan sa di pon tuhi kan hua kan sa dihin. No nang namidit na vehun na po ina na vehun tichukan team way. Fine back pass. This is Veng. This is Ling Gotang. He finds his friend taken away by khopi. Beautifully short pass. Another khopi defender. Side pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 chased the ball and finds it beautifully. He control and he finds his jersey number 6. Lovely pass into the midfield, taken away by Veng. Lovely crossing. This is the defender, the stylish defender. And now this is Ling Gotang once again for Veng, the danger man, academic guy. He finds left winger, lovely crossing. This is Veng into the attack. Oh my God, lovely defender. The great wall of khopi, the Sam Saupa. He cleared up the ball and it will be an intro in favor of Veng, which is just about 70 yards from the goal of khopi. He finds jersey number 17. Jersey number 17 finds the game captain. Jersey number 10, lovely back cut and a back pass to the defender. Now this is a well physically and promising football experience from Veng, wearing jersey number 23. He finds Ling Gotang a quick pass to the right winger. Right winger controlled the ball beautifully. Taken away by khopi, the smart defender of khopi. Lovely crossing into Veng. The great ball of Veng cleared the ball and the game captain cool and calmly controlled the ball and he finds the solid defender once again. This is a beautiful combination, the beautiful game of football here in LS Playground between khopi wearing yellow jersey and Veng wearing red jersey. Intro in favor of Veng. So piteo anok na tension in kichim mun ke ho limbo da ngai wa la bol na mu man lo mai thei chu ken ka zo ka se yang lang ye chu bol to hai tan ve win lang a o hi music dan na nga yum lang no tai ki chet diu ni tha ting la tui tuang ne khom diu he do chang in an tak do in ja sin am pa kamu man ta pon ha pe nan pen tu na loi pan o chan tang chan na tu in poi pi dum ki to ta an pu yu chu ja sin am ten game captain in pvn pan at japan in pvn in adelin control the ball dribbling the ball beautifully the game captain he finds us in number 12 a fine and lovely back pass to the defender. This is in pvn a good combination and a good composition and a good football here in Ellis Playground from both teams. Now the ball landed in favor of Poipi defender jersey number 18. He tried to cut, he finds jersey number 9. Another cut, he stops the ball, beautifully played in the middle, and he finds the defender. A quick clearance from the defender. Now the ball is in the high air like the eagle. Now taken away by jersey number 6 of Poipi, taken away by Rainbow Tang. He finds jersey number 9. Lovely crossing, taken away by the defense of Poipi. Now this is Golnop, the veteran player who played this tournament for more than 20 years. He is still fit and produced beautiful football in the tournament so far. Today we might be expecting a thunder performance from this gentleman wearing jersey number 1 and the team captain. Jersey number 21 did a smart football and make a fine clearance, no harm done at all. It will be intro in favor of Poipi. Crossing height down the ball in first attack into Inpivan. Unfortunately landed away from the far post. It will be the first goal kick in favor of Inpivan. This is the beautiful game, the beautiful people view and watch this football, universally, globally accepted as one of the most viewed game in the world. Lise tunga tupi pen to football pe hin savun lai hom ikichu hi tunia he nom tanan pedoin kang chan bichang nan taktinin Poipi all chan ballin domin thang akon jasin e na akon in pvn akon Poipi akon in pvn tu chen autan out lang alhaman pon na hoy danu yang akibangin na ha danu yang akibangin Motbung chi na hiwang nakibang kinuvin unknown hetjing and a lovely crossing. What a smart crossing to the line for the right winger. This is in pvn into the attack taken away by the smart Poipi defender controlling the ball. A tackle, referee says no to that, and it will be a kick for Poipi. Gentlemen, referees and umpire are a well-trained, certified DSA referee who are conducting these final match here in Ellis Playground. We have Mr. Hansen, the central referee, conducting this beautiful game beautifully. Lovely crossing. That was a sniper shot headed away by the solid defender of Inpivan. This is Mr. Venggolnop to jersey number 40. Lovely crossing. Unfortunately landed in no man's land. It will be intro in favor of Poipi. The match competition is really high. They are producing lots of thrilling football. We will be witnessing a lot more attacking football. Lovely crossing from Rainbow Tang, landed in favor of jersey number 13. This is Poipi. A fine combination, good crossing, landed in no man's land once again. अभी 17 बार फुटबॉल मुकाबला अभी Inpivan के साथ Poipi का खेल चल रहा है. इस वक्त 10 मिनट का खेल चल रहा है. The scoreline reached still 0-0. Who will be winning this football match is hard to predict because the competition is really tough. Inpi into the attack, landed away. It will be goal kick in favor of, intro in favor of Poipi. Ball boy has on smart channel 10 tulai smartphone, smart TV, smart wife, smart football yan ay tan music, smart ay tan, smart check ay ball di way. Lovely crossing. This is Venggolnop, jersey number 15. And he finds the defender, jersey number 29. Physically well, tall. The tall defender from Inpivan. He's the great wall of Inpivan. Lovely crossing. This is jersey number 6. Poipi into the control. Lovely dribbling. landed in no man's land, trying to stop the ball, beautifully chased in an electrifying speed. Unfortunately, could not stop the ball. It will be in throw, taken by jersey number 12 of Inpi Veng. Lovely throw to the solid defender of Inpi Veng, the tall guy, Asampa, Mel Hoipa, Mel Hoichepa, and the team to opposing Hoicheti. Doon akichuhanin 21-8, Poipi to Inpi, apingin na higin avehoy, anongin kay Kinuin. Nung ta apingin ng kichimun lang, ano chik-chik nung ahon kan vewin na hi. First kick in favor of Khopi in a range of about 90 yards from the goal of Inpi. Taken away beautifully, headed away by the game captain. Lovely crossing. This is lovely tackle. Lovely football. Lovely deflection. This is Khopi. Lovely twisting of my God. That was the first beautiful attack from Khopi. Just an inches away from the far post. Really unfortunate for Khopi and very fortunate for Inpi Veng. Inpi pula Inpi nuwang at di ko na kilehalo tali ito aja. Goal kick will be taken by the smart goalkeeper of Inpi Veng from Motbung. Lovely attack from Khopi, lovely defense from Inpi. This is beautiful football, beautifully played. This is just number 12. Lovely attack, but landed in favor of the goalkeeper of Khopi. The smart goalkeeper who is performing beautifully, won the man of the match in the quarterfinal as well. Today, we are expecting a wonderful performance from all these 22 gentlemen here in Ellis Playground pitch right now. This is the game captain, Len Guntan. I'll go down, I'm sorry. Naminukan sa Kilzidiin, kasasa sa chomkat na hidiw tayo chimet sungay. Azi ito naminlo siyo kipaman lo kial sa homin yung kihailaw siya. Jersey number 9 in a twin Vietnam na join. Game captain po na lapin. Len ko tangin na le alapi kinin tuwin Khopi le Inpi kihatam le azingwin. Tuhin. Alum tunay to la ball hunky cross. Lovely crossing, smart crossing. Ground ball is always dangerous. Beautifully taken by jersey number 11 of Khopi. Khopi into the attack. Deflection. Intro in favor of Khopi. We are into the 15 minutes of the first half of this final match between Inpi Veng and Khopi here in Ellis Playground. The scoreline still reads 0-0. Lovely crossing. This is jersey number 13. He finds his friend. Lovely crossing. Ground pass is always dangerous. Smart footballer always use ground ball. Beautifully played. This is Inpi Veng. Oh my God. Lovely start. Lovely ball taken away by jersey number 6. Lovely crossing. Some Saupa. Make a clearance. It will be intro in favor of Khopi Veng. Lumning Teng Pichemun. Game combination is very important. Thank you so much. Tons and tons of appreciation from the commentary box to Sir Diko and his team for their wonderful presence here in Ellis Playground. Hope to see you soon once again, sir. May the Almighty God guide you and bless you in your future endeavor. Thank you so much. Central referee match to Tom Chakat naga ahol daham. Central referee match to Tom Chakat naga aholin.